Kia ora! I'm Lou, the campus Kererū, letting you know that me and my university crew are here to support, guide, and help you spread your wings. We know the university journey can be stressful at times. That's why we have a huge range of support services to help you with any issues. We offer free tech support workshops, free career workshops and events, free confidential counselling, and free academic and study workshops, like how to write an essay. We also offer financial hardship grants if times get tough. We have specialised programs and groups if you're part of the LGBTIQA+ community, Māori and Pacific Leadership programs, workshops for students with English as a second language, and support services for neurodiverse learners. There are also lots of clubs on campus you can join to make friends and a support network. Learn more about student support on our website at auckland.ac.nz/student-support.